I'm Evie, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble the Trimble XR10 with HoloLens 2. In front of me, I have an MSA V-Guard hard hat, an MSA Fast Track 3 suspension, a shim, the Trimble XR10 with HoloLens 2, and a Mobilus bone conducting headset. First, we'll flip our hard hat upside down with the front brim facing away from us and put our shim in the front 2 vertical slots of the hard hat. Next, we'll take our suspension and insert the front 2 clips into the vertical slots on the shims and the back 2 clips into the vertical slots on the hard hat. Next, we'll flip our hard hat over and place our XR10, making sure we get the lens out of the way of the front 2 clips over top of our hard hat. We want to make sure the clips on the sides of the XR10 line up perfectly with the vertical slots on the sides of the hard hat and pull them in. Next, we want to press the front of the XR10 and fasten it to the front brim of the hard hat like so, and place our lens down. Next, we'll be attaching the Mobilus bone conducting headset. To do so, we'll flip our hard hat back upside down and attach the Mobilus device itself around the tightening wheel on the back of the suspension like so. Next, we'll be attaching each sensor to the sides of the back of the suspension, making sure that the wiring stays on the outside of the suspension. And now, we have a fully assembled XR10. To wear the XR10, make sure you first loosen your tightening wheel and place the hard hat on your head. And make sure you tighten the wheel so that the hard hat is securely attached to your body. Next, you want to bring the lens down as close to your eyes as possible. And now, you're comfortably wearing a fully assembled XR10.